Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Anaya Emaan World. Today I will give you a little bit information about Albino Cockatiel Birds. Albino is a very beautiful parrot. As a name Albino Cockatiel, which means lacking of pigments. The Albino Cockatiel is a pure white bird with red eyes, but the female can have a type of color pattern on the underside of her tail. Cockatiel birds are members of the Cockatiel family, which is native to Australia. They are really amazing and playful and full of energy and can be trained to do a few tricks and respond to hand gestures. If you want to see more videos of my channel, please like, subscribe and comments, and I'm on board.